In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transform your voice with ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll take a voice recording you already have, convert it into a selected AI voice using ElevenLabs Voice Changer, preview the result, and download the final audio file. First, log in at ElevenLabs.io. Open your web browser, go to ElevenLabs.io, and click Login. Enter your details and continue to your dashboard. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the main workspace right away. Next, go to Voice Changer. On the dashboard, look for the Voice Changer section and click it to open the tool. You'll see the workspace where you can upload your audio, choose a voice, and configure the settings. Now upload your original voice recording. Click the Upload button, then select the audio file from your computer. A clean, clear recording works best. So choose the version without background noise if you have one. Wait for the upload to finish. Once it's uploaded, you should see the file listed on the screen, ready for transformation. Select the AI voice you want to transform into. Browse the available voices or use the search bar if you have a specific voice in mind. Click the voice to select it. You'll see the chosen voice highlighted or listed as active for this conversion, confirming it's the one ElevenLabs will use. Adjust stability and style if needed. You'll find simple sliders or controls for these settings next to the voice selection. Stability typically controls how consistent and steady the AI voice sounds from start to finish. Higher stability keeps the tone more uniform. Lower stability allows more variation. Style affects expressiveness and emphasis. Move the sliders slightly and use the on-screen values to make small, deliberate adjustments. If you're unsure, start with the defaults, then nudge the sliders and listen to the difference after generation. Click Generate to process the new voice. Find the Generate button and click it once. You'll see a progress indicator while ElevenLabs converts your recording into the selected AI voice. Wait for the process to complete. Don't navigate away during this step to avoid interrupting the generation. Preview the transformed audio. When the result is ready, press play to listen. Let the preview run so you can confirm the pronunciation, pacing, and tone match what you expect. If the voice sounds slightly too flat or too animated, remember what you heard so you can fine-tune stability and style next time. The goal here is simply to verify the output before you save it. Click Download to save the final file. When you're happy with the preview, click the Download button. Choose a location on your computer, confirm the file name, and save it. The file will download in the format provided by ElevenLabs, ready to use in your project, presentation, or video editor. At this point, you've logged in, used the ElevenLabs Voice Changer, uploaded your recording, selected an AI voice, adjusted stability and style, generated the conversion, previewed it, and downloaded the final audio. Your voice transformation is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.